In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Firebase emulators with your Flutter app. By the end, your Flutter app will safely talk to local Firebase services during development, so you can build and test without touching production. First, open a terminal at the root of your Flutter project and initialize the emulators by running the emulator setup command. Follow the prompts to pick the services you want, like authentication and Firestore. When asked about ports, accept the defaults, 9299 for auth and 8080 for Firestore, and say yes to enabling the emulator UI. This step creates a Firebase JSON configuration file in your project and downloads the emulator binaries the first time. So give it a moment to complete. Next, start the emulators. Run the start command in your terminal and watch the output. You'll see local addresses for each service, such as http:/localhost9099 for auth and http:/localhost8080 for Firestore. The emulator UI will be available at http:/localhost4000, which is a great dashboard to inspect requests, data, and logs while you work. Keep this terminal running. You can open a new terminal window for your Flutter app. Now let's point your Flutter app at those emulators. Open lib.main.dart. Add imports for Cloud, Firestore, Firebase Auth, and KDebug mode from Flutter Foundation plus Dart IO's platform. Create a function named Connect to Firebase Emulator that chooses the correct host based on where your app runs. On the Android emulator, use 10.0.2.2. Everywhere else, use localhost. In that function, set Firebase Firestore.instance. Settings with host set to your chosen host and port 8080, SSL disabled, and persistence disabled for predictability during local development. Then call Firebase Auth.instance. Use Auth emulator with the same host and port 9099. In your main function, ensure bindings are initialized, then await Firebase.initialize app with your platform options. Wrap the emulator connection in a KDebug mode check so it only runs in debug builds, preventing accidental use and release. Finally, call run app as usual. If you've customized ports in Firebase.json, make sure the host and port values in your settings match. With that in place, run your app using Flutter Run on an emulator or a physical device. All Firebase traffic will now route to the local emulator suite instead of the cloud. You can verify this by watching the terminal logs and by opening the emulator UI at http:/localhost4000 to see auth users and Firestore documents appear as you interact with the app. This workflow is fast, safe, and ideal for testing edge cases without risking production data. That's it. Initialize, start, configure, and run it. You're ready to develop confidently against local Firebase services.